Welcome to the channel. So here in this video I want to show you how to create a security group in the AWS using Terraform. So I have installed Ubuntu WSL in Windows, and here I have already installed Terraform. So as you can see, Terraform is installed, and I have installed AWS CLI as well. We need AWS CLI to authenticate with the AWS using command line. So I already have configured AWS credentials. So if I go to the AWS and I see the credentials, I already have that. Now I already have configured AWS credentials using the IAM access key and secret key. I will go to the Ubuntu WSL and create one directory called Terraform. Okay, then I go inside this directory and create one file called main.tf. Okay, now I will open the VS Code here in this directory. Okay, so this is the main.tf. I will start creating the resources inside this main.tf. So now before creating the resources, I will show you in the AWS console. This is my AWS console. In the Mumbai region, I have only one security group. What is it? That is a default security group. So here I will add one more security group using the script. So I will go to the VS Code and start writing resources. Resource group. So I will give a name for the resource. Name is like security, suppose the group. Okay, and start the calling this. Now name, I will give a name to the security group called my security group. Okay, and I can provide description for this security group, and description can be like my first security group. Okay, this is done. Now save the file and go to the terminal, start a new terminal and select Ubuntu WSL. Here just leave Terraform init. So initialization, so it will install the dependencies for the AWS. Okay, so initialization is complete. Now I will give Terraform plan command, or maybe we can give format. So for format will do, it will format the main.tf. Okay, now I will give Terraform plan command. Whenever we run this Terraform plan command, it will show us what resources it will create, but it will not apply. So you can see here it will add one resource in the AWS, and here the Terraform log.scl and the log.scl is created. Now what I will do, I will clear the screen and then run Terraform apply. So as you can see, when I run the Terraform apply command, it is showing plan, one resource to add, 0 to change and 0 to destroy. So what I will give, I will enter yes, and this will create the security group in the AWS. So you can see whenever I run the Terraform apply, the Terraform TF state file is created. The apply is complete, resource 1 is added. Now we will verify in the AWS console. Go to the AWS console and go to the EC2 and go to the security group. Just refresh this page. You can see the security group is created, and if I click this security group, you can see the inbound rules and outbound rules. So here there is no inbound and outbound rules. So how to do that in the Terraform? So what I will do, I will go to the VS Code, go to the main.df, and here I will add one more section called egress. So from port, suppose 22 to port, and then after that what I can do, I will write protocol will be TCP and then CIDR block, CIDR underscore block equal to list of IP addresses, or maybe range of IP address. I will provide 0.0.0 slash 0, it will be CIDR blocks. Okay, and then after that I will run Terraform apply. You can see it will go and sends one, but it is not adding anything, it is just sending. So what I will do, I will do yes, okay. Now you can see the resource is sent, one sent and 0 added and 0 destroyed. So I will go and check it here in this AWS console. I will refresh it, and see this one inbound rule is added, but there is no outbound rule. Add a outbound rule, we have to modify the main.pf. So how to do that? I'll go to the VS Code and then main.tf, and here under this egress I will create another one. It's called egress. Okay, so from port, suppose 0 to port 0, and then protocol I will provide, here I will have to provide -1, so it will allow all the traffic coming out from the EC2 or maybe other resources, and then CIDR blocks. So here I will have to provide, I will provide 0.0.0.0 slash 0. So this will allow all the traffic outside from the resource. Okay, so now save it, and then Terraform apply 1 to send, 0 to destroy, 0 to add. Okay, now I will go and run Terraform apply hyphen or to approve. So I will not provide user input, automatically, sorry, here our form, so it will automatically apply because I already have given the flag called auto approve, so it will go and apply it directly. It will not wait for the user input. You can see it is changed. Now I'll go to the AWS console and refresh it and check the outbound rule is added or not. Okay, see inbound rule is already there. Then go to the outbound rule. You can see the outbound rule, all traffic is allowed for all port range. And now, so if we want to delete the security group, whatever we have created, what we have to do? We have to go to the VS Code, then use the command Terraform destroy. So what it will do? It will destroy the security group, whatever we have created, destroying the security group. So that is how we can clean up the resource that was created by the Terraform. Okay, just enter yes. So you can see the one to destroy. So it will destroy the security group that was created. Let's wait for some time. Group is destroyed. Now I'll go to the console and then refresh. As you can see, that security group is deleted. So what is available is only the default one. So that is how we can create a security group and configure inbound and outbound rule. So that's it in this video. So thank you. Do subscribe and share and give your valuable feedback. Thank you so much.